Hey, Peanut. Look at me. Peanut. Peanut. Look at me. Hello. Hello. You beautiful birdie. Beautiful birdie. Hello. Boo. That was so cute. It's so cute. Oh, you having a little walk around? Staring at the door, you want to go out now? You got to stay in here for the rest of the night. We made that deal. Right? Right? You alright? Normally you don't like it when I get this close to you. It's all the moths and stuff, isn't it? You want to eat them. Because if you wanted to leave, you'd be poking your head under the door and stuff. As long as you don't poop on everything I own, you're okay now. Just don't poop on me as well. Okay, let's practice, Peanut. Peanut, let's practice. Hey, stop eating it. Alright, I'm actually going to end this video and practice training Peanut. And when I am finished training him, or something, I'll try training him. And if I get anywhere, I'll show you. Bye.